So we're gonna see how that goes. Look at this fucking mess. Somebody tried to, which that's some killer work. Yeah, we'll make it work though, dude. Don't worry.
Look, this is where I did. I burnt the hole and I said I give up.
Yeah, it happens, dude. This thing's fucking cool. Look, GT45. Right on. We're gonna try and fix it.
No. That thing works pretty good though, huh?
Yeah.
No doubt. Yeah, I do good. Shit. That's what it is. No shit, yeah. Oh, fuck yeah.
Does it see the difference? That's aluminum, this is metal.
No shit, yes, yep. Right on. Oh shit, that makes us a nice channel with fucking beat.
Check out this fucking air compressor.
Oh, here we go.
You're gonna like this.
Yeah.
I mean, it's nothing no $3,000 fucking generator, but guess what?
It's the same thing.
It's pretty slick.
Oh, fuck, dude, I only had 500 in my Bobcat. I'm with you.
I got 50 into that one. Those propane tanks were free, and I bought the air compressor off a buddy. Oh no, it was 100.
Perfect.
Oh shit. So we got it all prepped up. I don't know if you'll be able to tell because it's really clean and everything, but always find the cracks, chasing a crack. See, valley. And this piece is broken here for the motor mount. That goes there like that. And you fill in the crack. And I don't think the camera's gonna work, but you find the crack all the way down with a burr grinder. Right? So that's what the repair is. And I'm gonna lay an angle bar from here to here after I fill in this crack, because there was a crack here. Man. So, and there's a crack there. And with aluminum it has to be stupid clean. Very, very, very clean. See the difference between this and this? They thought this was clean enough and it's really not. You have to use a non-ferrous burr bit. So that's what we're doing. There's a 09 M1000. Fucking give it a whirl, bro. Generator issues. Don't do it, don't do it. I got it. Come on.
You got the curve with an L.
Oh, I got that filled. What the fuck, dude? This is not good. Go start it up. I'll get this fucking. Let's just do it. You keep it running. You stay out there. Keep it running. What the fuck, man? Fuck my life. There it is.
Oh yeah, my high frequency certificate, so...
What the fuck me, dude?
Yeah. Yeah, I was just thinking of maybe.
Fucking weird, man. It's not starving for fuel, the filter stays steady.
Right, dude. That's what I
Waiting
mean.
for air or something bubbling in the back. Oh, look out, I'm swinging the old axe. I can't see nothing but look at the light.
It's like welding into a fucking bottle.
What's that?
It's blowing into a bottle sometimes.
I'll grab that piece of wood, bud. Yeah.
Seth? Oh yeah, we got the old fucking ass. Where is it? We got frame at the end of that.
There we go.
We got a fucking.
We want a fucking goddamn hammer.
You want a big one?
Oh,
Big one?
I don't know.
Here you go.
We got big, we got small, we got all.
Eyeball against what's a little polluted. Doc said, we're gonna have to put the motor back in now.
Yeah, that's right. You might have to do some work now.
This is the scary part.
Ship it or rip it, bud.
You got a pair of I just see some seats.
Oh yeah, guy.
No doubt, huh? You ain't even gonna be able to tell that it's fucking wasn't painted.
Jump, you know.
Here, yeah, here, let's do this one right here. You have another one, Seth?
Yeah.
That one right there, actually, try this one in town now. Can you?
Yeah, I mean, that's all it's
Yeah, open it real quick. Yep. Got it, right? I got it. Well,
Oh, you know what I just thought of too? I forgot I gotta put on that fucking crossover height. A fucking oh no, I gotta put that in the exhaust.
wait, hold it up.
No.
Oh yeah, dude. Yeah, you wouldn't be able to tell once it's painted. There'll be no saying that that was ever fucking added on. Oh no, I don't think it's gonna break my week either, huh? Fucking right, dude.
That's hot guy.
Here, I can tighten that right. Let me see that clamp.
ice grips right here.
No doubt.
Little small ones.
Oh, right here.
Oh yeah, fuck yeah.
Whatever. But we got it.
Yeah, bro. When look, before we started this whole project, these holes were fucking like this. Like you can even get a bolt in if you wanted.
I just gotta finish in up there. Double pass down here. Wow.
Yeah, it should all look like that right there, pretty much.
It's there.
Oh, I got it. Fucking, they didn't have a.
One and done, dude.
So you want to make a few more
You want what?
tacks? You're not done, are you?
Oh, I don't know. You tell me.
No, but no, I want you to keep going tomorrow, if you don't mind. So can you get the bottom of this?
Yeah, we're gonna have to flip it over.
Yeah, okay, so look that, and then we have the inside here, so the flipping nose, you have a second tank, Seth?
What?
Second nose? You got a second nose?
Oh, I thought I did, but you know what? I didn't know what fun talk about.
side here too. That mount that you just welded on. Yeah. I'd love to get some weld on it. If you can get to it.
What are that doing?
Oh yeah, that's right on the inside.
Yes.
Yep.
Yeah, I can do that.
Yep. There's a missing piece. Yeah, I had the piece actually.
If I was you, I'd take a piece of that angle bar that I brought.
Put it over the top.
Just thought you wanted to do it.
Right.
You want to get rolling on.
See, that's the only thing, but we can
Sounds
bring
like a level here.
That's what it is. Yeah.
I can just weld that.
Yeah.
Yeah. It was easier.
Yeah. So, like, is that fillable?
I doubt it. No. That's all.
What I do with that piece? I have the piece, bro. No joke. It's just a pretty good sized piece, actually. It's right in.
Yeah.
Hey, Melanie, we got any gas?
Fuel?
Any gas cans?
No.
You ain't got any gas I can buy off you real quick, do you?
I have a gas can. I just put all the gas I had in my generator.
Oh, it's fine. I can run this.
But you can grab my can if you need.
I got one.
I got some 114 actually at the house.
Okay, so we got his sled all welded up, and we're at back at my house now because he has the 2008 Arctic Cat M1000, I think, or something, M1000 or something like that. The ECU seems to be the same. So we're going to try it, see if that gets me smart. If that gets me smart, I'll at least know what I need to buy instead of hoping to buy, instead of buying a voltage regulator, because I don't know. But we'll see. We digged around on it this morning and we verified that there's signal to the injectors and that there's power to the fuel pump. So now I know that the voltage regulator has to be good. So it has to be this ECU that he has. If I'm right, I have everything but spark in it. I literally replaced everything. Everything's brand new. All brand new coils, sparks, stator, pickups, everything. And I just lost spark like that on the lake. So for that to happen and lose spark to all 4 coils with separate plugs, I don't know, that's something else. So I'm hoping it's ECU. But we're here, we're gonna find out. Fuck no, it's got power though, it's got 220. Oh shit. Alright, let's do this, dude. Yeah.
525, 537. They are different numbers.
You don't care about that, the plugs the same?
One in.
Oh, where's that adjustable?
That's not adjustable here, didn't I? I feel like I did. Loose plugs are full of water too.
Yeah.
I don't want them dumping fuel. That's not adjustable.
Okay.
Yeah, I was just running up the gas station. Wow, that's a nice car. I pull in and I'm like, oh. Yeah.
Alright. Plug this one. Okay, so. Oh, that's right here.
Just funny because today was like, oh, my wife drives a Lexus.
Here, I get you a
Kids.
plug right here.
Back. I was like, hey, I saw you 2 kids and wife. It's fucking
I don't know if I tighten them. This one, I didn't tighten this one. I don't think
It'd be easy to pull it.
Why did
if
they
it's
do
not in.
4 spark plugs? Anybody have figured
Dude,
out?
it's
It's 2 cylinders.
I think it's for the exhaust stroke.
Oh, you're right. Yeah.
Try it out now.
Okay,
I'm almost leaning towards your fucking stator if you changed it.
Don't you say that.
Where's your old stator, man?
Don't you say that.
Find your old stator, dude.
Dude, I tried this morning.
If you had it, I could test it.
I didn't throw it out. I know I didn't. But dude, you know what? I didn't even think to look. It might be, actually. So we can test a box of my snowmobile parts. Yeah, well, that's what I thought.
Yeah, because that
Can't get to it.
that's so weird.
I tried this morning, but I didn't see it.
You didn't stick it in your toolbox.
This thing got narrowed skis.
He noticed it right off the back, dude. I know. I took 2 inches out of each side. Two holes. Fuck.
Yeah, so it's not that bad.
Fuck. Looks like I'm pulling the fucking stator off, huh?
Yeah, I would. Because I could at least even test the new one, but
Fucking hell, dude.
fuck, I wish you had your old one to test.
I do.
I know. What'd you do?
Do I have it to give you? No. I will.
Yeah, because that'd be, fuck, I don't know, man. It's just weird. You changed the stator, changed all this shit.
So I know.
It ran and died.
And
I still don't know
there's
what your
signal to
fuse is
there's
at,
signal to the injectors.
Right.
There's signal to the fuel pump.
Fuel pump and shit.
So there's still no spark. So brand new stator's fucked. That's I don't know. I'll give you one guess.
eBay?
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah. Yeah, I take that off and test it. If you get it off, fuck, I wish you had your old one. It's weird that the old one wasn't bad.
Well, we're gonna fucking run it. I don't know.
You put it inside this wheelbarrow?
Dude, you know what? Good question. Junk welding done. Negative Ghost Rider.
Yeah, close.
Yeah, look, it's from my muffler back too.
No shit. Nice.
Fucking hell, dude. I was really hoping for the best on that, man.
Yeah.
Shit.
No, yours has 3 wires too on your fucking voltage
Same plug
regulator.
though, right?
Yeah, but look, your voltage regulator is the same as mine, bud, too.
Is it?
Yeah. So you know what I mean? So yes, it's sending voltage to the pump and shit, but is it sending voltage to everything else? We should have brought that with us, but it's another thing we could try.
We can.
We can use my ECU and my voltage regulator.
Every day?
Yeah, maybe we might even go do it tonight. But no.
I won't be home till late. We might even stay the fucking night out there. You don't have to work tonight, do you? Alright.
Well, whenever.
We're going way out to like Kingsville and shit. So
That shit. Right on.
past it.
Yeah. Yeah, man. You just fucking let me know.
Yeah.
Because I guess that'd be another thing we could try real
That
quick.
sucks.
Because that thing, you know what I mean? It might, some of them pins, it might be sending the voltage to your pump and et cetera, but it might not be making it somewhere else.
Right. Yeah, for sure.
Alright, man. Well, I appreciate it today, dude.
No
Big
doubt.
time.
Oh, my baby.
We'll try that, like I said. Voltage
Yeah.
regulator off my foot.
Give me a shout, bro.
Yeah, sounds good, man.
Alright, buddy.
Yeah.
Later. Hi, Booger. What are you doing?
I'm guessing you were vlogging today.
Maybe a little bit. What are we doing? Hi, Booger.
Hello. Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
What are you doing?
Get in the car.
Can I have some love? I love you.
Yeah.